Hi, this is the outcome of the moi moi that I did. I did moi moi that I'm using leaf to wrap. As you can see, it came out well, beautifully well. So this is the test. I remove one and I'm doing justice to it. It came out very well. Mm. I cannot wait to finish it too. I must finish it by force. Now let me drink my drink. I have a drink here, a glass of drink. Is good to go. I am good to go too. So please subscribe to my channel, Mobile Foodies. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make delicious moi moi. I'm using moi moi leaves, as you can see. So I have here 5 cups of beans. I have peeled the beans. First of all, I selected the beans. You have to select these beans from the stone. So I've selected it very well. Then I now wash it. I blended it. I blended it with my blender. You can as well go to the market and blend it also. I have tomato sauce. I made tomato sauce, fresh tomato, a little tomato paste, then onions, thyme, curry. I had a little spices to spice it up. So I'm going to add onion powder. I'll add onions powder to it. I'll add paprika to it. Then I'll stir it. You have to stir it well. The next thing I'm going to add is tomato mix sauce. For the tomato mix, I added crayfish to it. Crayfish is optional. You might do away with it. If you don't want it, leave it. But it adds flavor to it. And it adds taste to it too. You can add shombo. You can add katashi if you have. If you're Nigerian, you'll be able to understand what I'm telling you. Red bell pepper. You can add any other pepper that you want. If you want it to be spicy, feel free to add anything you want. You can add dry fish. Some people, they add fresh fish to it, but I don't like the fresh fish. I can manage with dry fish, not the fresh fish. So I added seasoning. I will add salt now. I have not added salt. Salt is to your own taste. Don't rush to add all the salt. You have to taste it to see whether the consistency is right. If you add too much, it will be salty. I wonder how you enjoy salty food. You have to taste it. Beans does not like too much salt. You have to add a little. For the sauce, I use vegetable oil, feel free to use any oil of your choice. Some people they use palm oil. I don't want to use palm oil. Can I use fresh pepper? So I've already prepared the pot. This is what I did to the pot. The stack of this leaf is inside the pot. So I now place one inside. So this is the way I'm going to fold it. Place your hand like this. This is my hand. Hold it this way. Then first of all, put this one inside. As if you want to sell granite in the market. As you can see, hold it tight. Then be turning the leaf. Turn it very well. Make sure that you turn it very well. As you can see, this is how it is. The inside, the outside. So now you have to hold this place very well. Hold this place very well. Then press it this way. Press it to the back of it. After pressing it, you have to hold it very well now. Hold it tight here. So I'm going to put the moi moi batter inside. As you can see, the batter is inside. If you have any egg now, boiled egg, you can put it inside, but don't put fried egg inside, only boiled egg. You can put, or you can add bone, meat bone inside, then press it this way, press it this way, press it gently, don't burst the leaf, then press it again to this other end, press it again, press it again, then take it backward. So I want to place it now. So that is the first one. So I want to do the second one. I want to do only 3 times. It's very easy to do it. Turn, 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 turn. Turn it well. Hold it tight. Hold it well. Then make a cone. I think 1 cup should be okay. It shouldn't be too much. Then press it inside. Press again. Turn it again. Then bring it down. Bring it down, down, down. Then put it. Then I want to make the third one. The other way, let me make this one. This other 2, I use the inside. But now I want to use the outside here. So I've turned it to this side. It's the same thing. So you can do the 2 sides. You Hello everyone. This is the outcome of the moi moi that I used little time. As you can see, it came out well and delicious and very tasteful. So I'm going to bring out one now. I don't know they want to bring. Oh my god. I don't want my mama to stick. I want to remove everywhere. Mmm. It's so delicious, honestly. I have to confess. If you want the color to be more than this, feel free to add. Add more. Add tatashi, add shombo pepe. Your color will be darker than this, but this is okay by me. Let me test it, yeah. Mm. Mm. So delicious. I have my drink here. Let me enjoy myself. I need it to. Mm. So please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Just click on the like button, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you're not done so. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mobile Foodies. Bye.